Hey, are you wondering to get perfect information about AWS EC2 instance, Nginx setup, how to link your domain with your EC2 instance, how to deploy projects in production, development server, how to manage project with the help of versioning control like GitLab, and CI/CD with the help of GitLab runner, repository management, user management on GitLab, how to generate free SSLs for your website, all at the one place. I think you are at the right place. In upcoming video series, you are going to learn all this in this tutorial series. Don't miss out this great opportunity to learn this amazing and very helpful concept of DevOps and project management. Hey, what's going on internet? This is Vivek from TechWithVP. Your problem, our solution. So we are back with another tutorial series where we are combining multiple tech solutions together. So without wasting our time, let's get started. So at the end of this video series, you will become pro to handle any GitLab projects, automation and deployment together. So you will get 9 to 10 videos in this video series. As you can see in my screen, you will get one separate video on these all topics. Our topic 1 is introduction and demo, which is our current video and first video of this video series. I will show you full demo of what you guys can expect at the end of this video. We will change our code, push it to development branch, and we'll push it to master also. We'll merge our development branch to master branch, and I will show you live pipelines running and updating our code projects. So you can see this. I have two URLs, which is first is edu.techwithvp.com, which is our development server, and second one is prod.edu.techwithvp.com, which is our production server. So whenever we will run our pipeline, first, we will push to development branch, and development branch will update this project. Then we will merge development into master, and after merging into master, it will update our production. So now coming to the second topic. Second topic is AWS account creation. So we will create one free AWS account, which is valid for 1 year, and you can use free services of AWS. And I will show you how you can start the AWS journey with AWS EC2 instance, storages, and many more things. In topic 3, test Django project on local. So I have already created one Django project. So I will show you that project running in my local, so we can verify before the deployment. Fourth topic is GitLab integration. So we will create GitLab account if you don't have one. If you already have, you can use it. How to install Git on your local machine, how to create repositories, connect your repository with your existing project, create multiple branches like master, development, and other branches. And we will also see how you can protect branches, so anyone cannot push your code to like master branches, which should be protected. We learned this all in this topic. Topic 5 is AWS EC2 instance creation. So we will go little deep into EC2 instance, and I will give you information about EC2 instance and how you can create it. We will select our operating system, storage, and all. Basically for this demo, we are going to use T2 Micro because it is the one of the free instance provided by AWS. Sixth topic is actual deployment. So we will clone our repository to our EC2 instance. But before that, I will show you how you can use your AWS credentials with Termius. So generally, there are multiple softwares available in market. Like you can use Putty, you can use if you are using Ubuntu, you can directly SSH into your EC2 instance. But in this video series, I am going to use Termius as my SSH client. So we will clone our repository into that EC2 instance. Then we install required dependencies like Gunicon, supervisor required for project management. Then we will configure our Nginx. And the 7th topic, which is domain linking and SSL setup. So in this video, I will show you how you can configure and connect your domain, your actual domain, like as I shown you in this URL. which is techwithvp.com, which is my main domain. So I will show you how you can link this with your EC2 instance. I have my domain in Hostinger, so I will show you that also, and I will show you how you can use free services like Let's Encrypt to create and generate free SSLs for 3 months, and how you can continue after 3 months. I will show you that all things in this video. Our eighth topic is GitLab runner installation and registration. So we will see how you can install your GitLab runner on your EC2 instance and how to register your project which we have created on GitLab and register that token with EC2 instant GitLab runner. And the last topic is GitLab CI/CD and YAML. So in the last video we will code our YAML file, which is the actual heart of this CI/CD pipeline. So we'll go deep in all these topics. Now we will proceed with the demo. I will show you the live running pipelines and I will update my code right now and I will show you how you will get the pipeline here. So you can see I have total 3 branches. First is a working dash Vivek where I will update my code. Then we'll push that code to development branch, and after we'll push the code into master. So when I will push code to development, you will see changes in this portal. I will update this both. I will refresh this and I will show you. So here is my code. What we are going to change. Like this is a KV text solution. You can see here KV text solution. After that I will modify this string and I will show you. So let's do it. So I'm putting TechWithVP here. Now you will see the change. I have changed one file which is index.html and I'm going to push it. So to push, first we have to add into staging git add dot and git commit. Now I have provided commit message and enter. So my this change is saved and I will push it to my working dash Vivek branch. So my code is now updated on this branch and I will show you merge request. Now we'll create merge request. So you can see here merge request. First we will update our development. So I'm going to change branch from master to development. Okay, compare branch and continue. Assign this to myself. Delete source branch, not required. Create merge request. So it has created merge request and I will merge it. Okay, ready to merge. It is showing we can merge it. I'm merging and now code has merged and you can see the pipeline is running. So it is showing merge branch, working branch into development. Right now it is not successfully done. So you can see there is no changes. Let me show you refreshing the page. And now it's updated. So you can see the code is updated and the final stage is migration. So we don't, it will update in second phase. Now all pipeline is succeed and the code is updated on our development branch. So you can see edu.techwithvp is updated. Now I will show you the production branch and I'm refreshing the page. You will see nothing happened. Why? Because we haven't merged our development branch into master. So we want this in our production. So for that we have to create another merge request from development to master. So our current branch is development and we want to merge it to master. I will assign to myself create merge request. Approval is optional. Checking if merge request can be merged. So it will show you if any conflicts in your code. So you can solve that. Now it is showing ready to merge and we are merging. So merge done will comes to here. Now you can see merge branch development into master. So this 3 phrases after completion of this you will see the code updates. We will go in deep in these all 3 stages when we will create our YAML file. So the phases are running. So first phase is code sync. So what we are doing, we are syncing our code from GitLab to our EC2 instance. Second phase is install dev, means we are installing required dependencies if we have added any new dependencies. And the final stage is deploy. So in final stage we are migration, we are performing migrations operation for Django. So now you can see I'm refreshing the page. You will see the changes from development to master. So this is how actual code flow work from normal branch to development server to production server. So this is what you guys going to learn. Again, I will show you these repositories. This is my branches, my repository. You can see the whole code is here, which you can see here. Now I can do one thing. We will remove this and quickly I will push it from terminal. For this second demo, I will revert the code and instantly pushing it to our servers. So again, git add dot git commit -m code revert git push origin working Vivek. So it has pushed to our working Vivek branch. Now I will move to development. Git checkout development. So now we are in development branch. So it is already not showing. Why? Because we haven't pulled from our development. So git pull origin development. So you will see that change here. You can see the previous change we have done. Now I will take pull git pull dot. No, don't use dot right now. It is quite confusing for you if you are new. Origin working Vivek. So basically what we are doing this from CLI way. No, we are not updating or merging our branch through the merge request, which is provided by browser. So it has removed and we will push to development. You can see push to development and we'll see the pipeline. It is in pending. So this is the same thing we have done for this, like create merge request from working Vivek to development, development to master. So pipeline is running, 2 stages are completed. It is so quick. If your project is big, your task defined in this jobs are more, then it will take some time. Currently it is taking 20 to 25 seconds to run this pipeline. Now I'm refreshing our development server. So you can see TechWithVP is removed, but for production it is still there. Now we will merge that code into master from CLI. Git pull origin master. You will see that current master change here. Now we will take pull development. So this is the quickest way to merge your code into one branch to another. But I will not suggest if you are beginner. If you have good knowledge of GitLab versioning control, then you can go with this. Git push origin master. Code will be pushed to master. Development will be merged into master. And you will see pipeline running again. One stage is done, second is running, which is install develop dependencies job, and the final stage. But before the final stage, our code will be updated, so we can refresh our page and I can show you that code is merged to our master also. So this is what you will learn after completing this whole tutorial series. We will try to make this video series as simple as possible. We assume that you have just little knowledge of Python and Django. We hope you enjoy this video series. We have one request to you that you follow this video series and watch this video till end, so you don't miss anything from this amazing video series. We have just one final request to you guys, that 99% of our viewers on this channel are watching our videos but not subscribing to our channel. Guys, this is just for our motivation. If you subscribe, if you like video and share with your friends and colleagues. So From the next video, we will move to our second topic, which is AWS account creation. So we'll start our AWS journey from next video. If you guys have any questions, any query, feel free to ask in comment section. It is for you. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.